Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Potential health risk. In 2012, researchers at the University Hospital Aachen in Germany obtained samples of tapioca pearls from an indiscriminate bubble tea chain located in northwestern Germany. They discovered that this sample contained carcinogenic chemicals, or PCBs, which are known to lead to cancer.
Let's help you make your mark.
In August 2012, scientists from the Technical University of Aachen, RWTH, in Germany analyzed bubble tea samples in a research project to look for allergenic substances. The result indicated that the products contain styrene, acetophenone, and brominated substances, which can negatively affect health.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.